Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Juby May here. If you are new, welcome. In today's video guys we will show you how we spent our first day of self-quarantine.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Juby May.
Hello guys, good morning. Today guys is 13th March 2020 and it's Friday. Haley has no class. They shut the school yesterday guys. Yesterday they told us that they have no class for 2 weeks because of the virus, so better to stay home and be safe and healthy. Yes, so the kids are here upstairs. We are here upstairs guys with the kids and they are playing here, and I'm going to walk here also guys. Yes.
Lakota, jump, jump.
Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Hi. Kota.
Hooray! Hooray!
Hello.
So I just finished walking guys 30 minutes and I walk for 3 kilometers. Yes, and Haley wants to go and walk also. And while I was walking, look what they did. She did only, Haley did it. This beautiful puzzle farm. Yes, Haley, good job. Yes, farm puzzle. And Lakota, hi. And now Haley is ready. She wants to go and walk. She's wearing her running shoes now. Yes, and I let them play here guys. Yes, don't step, Lakota. Haley, go and walk. Can you see? And I will continue stretching guys. And Haley is walking. She wants to walk as well. And Lakota here. What? Lakota? What is Haley doing, Huh? She's walking, isn't it? We are going down guys. Lakota wants to go down. She's tired, I think, upstairs. Come, let's go down. Let's close this one because Lakota wants to go up alone that side, and we are going down. Hold Haley's hand. Yes, Iha. Hold Haley's hand. Darling. Come. Oh, mommy, come. Hold mommy's hand. Very good.
Hold Haley's hand.
Good job, darling. Very good. Hooray! And let's close this small gate also, guys. Yes, Ian. Because she likes to go up alone. Yes, the kids are hungry. They want to eat something. Okay, guys. So guys, I am boiling 3 eggs because Haley wants to eat egg and I didn't eat breakfast yet. So this will be my breakfast. And this one, guys, is for lunch. I'm going to cook pakbet. Yes, but the thing is, I have not okra. I only have green beans, but this green beans is flat, guys. And we have eggplant and squash. Yes, pumpkin. So only those are the ingredients, guys, of my pakbet. What is Lakota doing? She's playing. Hello guys, so I am cooking and I've realized that I have not ginger. Yes, and we have no okra, and I wanted to go to the Pakistani store here in our town, but Haley doesn't want to go because she said that she has to stay at home for 15 days without going out. And I told her that they will stay in the car and I will go to the supermarket.
No!
But she doesn't like, guys. Oh my god. the pakbet.
I don't want to go.
The pakbet isn't that good without the ginger and okra. Haley, let's go, okay?
No!
You stay inside the car, you and your sister, and I go first.
No.
Hello guys, so I just finished bathing. Here I just washed my body and now I am cooking, guys. Yes, so let me what do you call this, let me prepare all the ingredients. Okay guys, so guys, ito na yung pakbet natin. As in, wala siyang ano guys, ginger and okra, so okay lang yan. Yes, at nilagyan ko ng kunting tubig, guys, and now I'm going to cover it. Tara! Hello guys, so luto na and I just turn it off. Taran! Here is my pakbet. Very simple pakbet, guys. Yes. Masarap siya, guys. Let's eat, guys. We are going to eat now with the kids. Hello, guys. We just woke up from our nap. Yes, from our nap. So the kids are tired, guys, inside of the house, so we are here outside now.
So these days we have to think what to do because we will spend a lot of hours here. So we have to think how to use well the time. Maybe the children can learn more English, they can learn more things. We have to think how to use well this period, a special period of time.
Because Lakota wants to go and sit there, guys, so my husband is cleaning them. And while they are outside, guys, playing, I am going to tackle this mess. Yes. Before I tackle the mess in our kitchen, I have to keep the leftover food first, guys, and then I have to unload the dishwasher. As you can see that I am keeping the glasses, cups, and all that stuff, and then after that load the dirty plates into the dishwasher and then hand wash all the things that need to be hand washed.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for.
Hello guys, so dinner time na dito guys. I don't know what time. Wala akong watch guys. So tonight's dinner guys, because it's Friday, so we have pizza. Yes guys, every Friday we almost have pizza every day, every Friday. Yes guys, so let's go and eat. Kain tayo guys. So we have here pizza. My husband is finishing his pizza, right daddy? And yes, we have beer as well. And the kids Lakota finished her first plate. Now she's eating her chicken, and Hailey finished her rice as well. But they didn't finish the viand. So this is how we spent our first day of confinement guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.